Good morning, this video is for Dale Berger, Vice President of Original Sound Records. Sir, song number 2, Where's the Feeling? I wrote the lyrics, Ed wrote the music. Song number 3, Donna Summer Songs. I'm at Sony Leah in Sydney, Australia. I recorded that in Balmain, Australia, near Sydney, over the bridge. That's song number 3 on the Selena Siempre CD. Song number 4, Is It the Beat? I wrote the words, Ed wrote the music when I got back from South Padre Island, 1991. Song number 5, Only Love. I wrote the lyrics, Ed wrote the music, 1990. Song number 7, a remake, Dreamin'. Vanessa Williams had done it before. I did it directly after Talk to Me in 1990-91. Song number 9, Ed, you need to get together with me on all this. I'm not going to take any more bad mouthing from Como La Flor 34 online. Someone better pay me. Sony had me on a hit list. I'm now taking myself off witness protection. Welcome to my channel. I'm not going to hide from anybody anymore. I wrote those words. You don't have a right to have my words or any record label having them. I'm not hiding anymore. Pay up, gentlemen. Showtime.